This is the Hardell 90-degree positioning square. Comes in a pack of 4. This gives you precise 90-degree angle clamping if you're woodworking, and it's very high quality aluminum, alloy, and stainless steel, and it ensures a 90-degree accuracy. Um, this is great for assembling boxes, drawers, cabinets, frames, furniture, that type of thing. It's real easy to use. You just line those up and um, decide which hole is going to work best for you and put the clamp in and clamp it down. It's also makes things level for the bonding process, and it can be used with clamps to check and position the joints of wood panels that are glued or welded at right angles. So this is very versatile, and you can also use it as just as a square. It has very precise markings on the one side is inches, and the bottom part is for metric. So you've got everything you need there. It's a 3-inch clamp set, and it has beveled edges that aren't going to mar the surface of whatever you're clamping to. This would be a great gift for a woodworker for a birthday, retirement gift, or just a handy person. It would also be great for crafters because you can use this for anything that you're going to need to make a 90-degree, or at least even check a 90-degree position. This would also make a very appreciated gift at Christmas. Go ahead, pick one up and give it a try and let me know what you think.